So to upload a video to Google Drive or YouTube, you're going to want to choose the video that you want. And when you have the options, it's going to pop up. So you have options to either edit the video, and if you need to, you can do whatever you like to it. You can make your cuts and make your edits. And then when you hit done, it's going to give you options to save or upload to different platforms. You can also expand this menu to upload to Vimeo or to Dropbox, but we're going to do YouTube. So in order to do this, I have to put in the YouTube account that I want to use, and I'm going to use my personal account. It's going to ask me to allow access, so I'm going to choose my personal Gmail account, and then you're just going to allow Screencast-O-Matic to access and hit done. And then when you do that, if you want to give it a name, I just call this test. Make sure the privacy is unlisted. So the options for this are public or private. You want it unlisted because you want to make sure that especially if it's a Zoom meeting or something like that, that the students' names and pictures are not publicly available. When you're finished, you just hit publish. The longer the video is, the longer it's going to take to upload, but this is a very short video, it's 25 seconds, so it'll take probably about a minute to upload. Once it's finished, you're going to copy the link right here and then hit OK. And then you'll notice if I paste that link up here, it's going to say that the video is processing. But that means it's successful, and in about, I don't know, a minute to 30 seconds, you'll be able to view that video if you just hit refresh. There it is.
So to change where you...
I'm going to pause that. And then when you're finished, you can just go ahead and share that link, just like we showed you every other way. You can use the embed code, or you can copy the link, copy the embed code, or you can copy just the link to the video by tapping that share button and then just copying the link right here. That's what you're going to share with your students or embed in your Schoology. And the reason for this, again, is because our bandwidth capacity for Screencast-O-Matic is limited, and we have 150 users. So we want to keep that bandwidth usage down pretty low and under our max limit. So make sure you are either going to Google Drive or Schoology. If you want to stick around for Google Drive, it's very similar. You can go to your content, and I'm going to select that again. Move this a little bit. Instead of selecting YouTube, I would do upload to Google Drive. Same process. You're going to not use your school account. Instead, you're going to add a personal Gmail account, allow access at the bottom, and then hit done. And when you're ready for that, you'll be able to publish it to your Google Drive account. Once it's done, you're just going to hit copy link and then hit OK. And then when you paste that link up top, it's going to link directly to the video in your Google Drive, and you're going to get that same message: we're processing the video, check back later. And that's normal. It just takes a little bit to process the video. And again, the longer the video is, the more time it's going to take to process. If you need any more information, just reach out to your ITF and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.